Hello and welcome to Finance for Beginners. Today we are going to learn how to account renewal in Payoneer. So if you are new, you subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the Payoneer. To open it, you can just go into the web browser and in the search bar you can search Payoneer and it will show you the search result. And on the first search result, there will be an official website of Payoneer. You just need to click on it and you need to sign in or log in order to open this home page. So after that, when you are in this home page, on the top right corner there is a question mark icon. You just have to click on the question mark or icon, and when you have clicked on the question mark icon, there will be a FAQ option. You just have to click on the FAQ option. That is the first option. After that, you just have to write in the search bar here how to renew the account, and you just have to search it and it will show you the search result, and you can just click on the search result or study the search result and follow each and every process that is said to you by the Payoneer support center and their support team. So after doing all the things or the steps provided to you by the Payoneer support center and team, then you will be able to renew the account. So this is how you can easily renew the account in Payoneer. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.